welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. Today I'm going to be testing out the new eye shaping shadow palette from Revolution, or Makeup Revolution, sorry. I also picked up the Cosmetic tape as well, and I thought I'd try and, I don't know, do something with these. So the packaging for the palette looks like this. Pretty cool. And then I've got to do that at an angle, but the palette itself is like this, so it's kind of like a rose gold packaging. And then inside the palette we've got these colours here, which I will swatch in a minute. And there's also these kind of guides for, you know, if you want to do liner or some eyeshadow look. And then there's also a little mini brush as well, so we've got like an angled brush on one side for liner or whatever, and a little round fluffy brush there as well. So here's the swatches in order of how they look in the pan. I'd definitely say that the shimmers stand out more than the mattes. The mattes were a little bit chalky and a little bit hard work to swatch. They may be completely different on the eye, but yeah, I really like this colour though, and this colour here. So this is the tape, so it's kind of not a lot different to micropore tape, to be honest, but it's got this Revolution branding on, so that's pretty cool, even though I showed it upside down. So I'm going to pop this underneath, yeah, it's micropore tape, so I'm just going to pop this underneath my eyes at an angle and try and get it as even as I can. Is that all right? I suppose so. Yeah, like that. I'll just do the same on the other side. I think they're even. Oh, if not, never mind. I can always do something afterwards, I'm sure. Oh, they're not very comfortable, but yeah, I've probably done them too long, to be honest, but that's fine. Right, so what I'm going to do is start off by going into my crease with this one here, I think. Okay, and then I'm just going to blend that out with this really pale shade just here. Okay, right, so I think what I'm going to do is just build that back up again, because I've kind of lost a bit of the colour where I've blended it. And then on this very outer part just here, I'm going to go in with this kind of almost charcoaly grey colour here. Not masses of pigment in that colour, if I'm honest, for it being such a dark colour. Yeah, but right, so then on the inner part here, I'm going to go in with, I think I'm just going to kind of use this. I'm not going to cut the crease or anything. I'm just going to, or shall I? Yeah, no, I am. I'm going to do that one. Right, so I'm just going to go and do this eye to this point, and then we'll remove the tape and try and do a liner with the black and the stencil things. So I'm just going to take this tape off. I actually can't wait to get it off because I've got really sensitive eyes and I can feel this one's watering. That's actually pretty cool. This has obviously been a technique that's been around for absolutely ages, and the only difference is obviously it's got the branding on it, but I have honestly never really tried the tape thing on myself. So yeah, I like that. I don't think they're even. I really don't. It's hard because when I look in my mirror they look even, but when I look at the camera they look uneven. So I don't know. Whatever. So underneath, what I'm going to do is just quickly go in with this dark colour just here, and I'm just going to kind of smoke that out underneath. So then what I'm going to do is try and do some winged eyeliner using those stencils. This could go horribly wrong, but hopefully if I use these it'll make it easier. So we've got a cat eye, a luxe eyeliner and a basic eyeliner. I'm going to go for the basic one. Right, so we've kind of got, they're like little micro pore things again. Obviously you take this bit out and you've got to place this. I'm hoping this doesn't take my eyeshadow off, but on Instagram they were doing it with their eyeshadow already done. So hopefully it'll be all right. So if I put it, oh God. Ooh. Just going to push them down really lightly. I think that's right. Right, and then I need to get this black on as soon as I can. Right, and I'm going to take it off straight away. That actually worked. Do you know, that's actually really good. You see that? I'm just going to neaten it up a little bit with a line. I'll use this one. I'll use the one that came in it, just to neaten it up a little bit. Just there as well. But apart from that, that's actually pretty good. I didn't think that would happen, I'll be honest, because it kept unsticking down here. So I thought it was going to look a mess when it came off. I'm really impressed. Right, I'm just going to go and do the other one as well. Right, okay, so here's the finished look. It's nowhere near perfect. It isn't perfect. It will take some practice. However, I do think it's made my life a lot easier because I am terrible at winged eyeliner. And yeah, I just love the way that, you know, it looks really neat under here. And as I said, that's nothing new. I don't think the stencils are anything particularly new, to be honest. But yeah, they definitely made it easier for me. I'll give you a quick close-up of the eyes so you can see properly. So here you go. Here's the eyes close up. Now, as I say, don't look at how even they are because I'm well aware that they're not perfectly even, but they're a lot better than if I'd have done them freehand, believe me. Freehand would have just been a mess. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'd really appreciate it. It means the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!